Welcome back to my channel. Hey homegirl, thank you so much for coming. Today, I have a wig for you guys. I'm coming to you guys with a color wig. Yep, some of you guys have been asking me to get a wig with some color. So I'm coming to you guys with the Daily Wig. This is by Outre. Her name is Kimbra. I got her in the color DR Caramel. And you can apply heat to her. That is what the front of the cardstock looks like, so you guys can see. And this is the back. Oh yeah, and it says it has an elastic band and it's hand tied. So it's a hand tied lace part. And this is the inside of the card. And on the back, I forgot to tell you guys, on the back, it shares with you how to take care of her. So if you're planning on wearing her often, you know, it'll tell you exactly how to care for her, and maybe you can get, you know, a little bit longer wear out of it. And this little booklet right here, it has other little wigs and stuff in there. Once you get it, you can go through it and see, you know, everything that the Daily Wig has to offer. And then it has two sides to it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Kimbra is straight out the pack so that you can see exactly what she looks like straight out the pack. I am not gonna curl her, no concealer or anything. I'm just gonna put her on. DR Caramel. So I went like really bright with this one. I'm usually keeping it at, like, trying to play it safe and keeping it, you know, with the 1Bs and stuff like that. You know, I don't know, maybe I need to get in a little color. A little color don't hurt every now and again. But anywho, this is Kimbra. Kimbra comes with 2 combs in the front. Well, pretty much the sides, if that's what you want to consider that. And this elastic band strap. So, oh, and she has a comb in the back also. Now there's some adjustable straps in here also. I have a larger head, so I'm gonna let you guys know if she big head friendly. But Kimbra comes in other colors, okay? If you don't want to. You don't necessarily have to get her this light. You know, this is very light. I'm gonna try her on so you guys can see what she looks like on me. And I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of her. You can give me your honest opinion about her, because, you know, you might not like her on me. I might not like her on me. Somebody might think that she looks good on me. So you guys give me your honest opinion. I'm gonna try her on. I'm not even gonna apply any heat to her. Says you can. But she's real soft. Forgot to mention that. She is real soft. She is really, really soft. She shed just a little bit. She got a little shedding in there. Not much. It's bearable. I'm gonna try Kimbra on and I'm gonna be right back. Okay. This is Kimbra straight out the pack. I usually wouldn't go this light on the wig. She is big head friendly. She is big head friendly. She will fit you big head ladies out there. She will fit. I have a big head, so I could talk about the big head community. Yep. But I actually like Kimbra. I actually like this color on me. It's not a bad color at all. I honestly like her. And I wouldn't get a wig, a synthetic wig this color, because some of them, they look too wiggish, and I just don't like that wiggish look. But I honestly like Kimbra. Okay, I'm a model for y'all a little bit with Kimbra. Alright, well, this is Kimbra. Okay, this is Kimbra, and she's not that long at all, so I can work with her. Y'all know, if you've been following me and you've been watching a few of my videos, y'all know how much I'm just really not into hair that is really, really long. But I like Kimbra. I will honestly say I like her. And she is really, really light. She's lightweight, and this is what the top look like. I made a part just for this wig. This is what the top look like. If you want to, you know, give her a little baby hair, so do whatever you want to do to her, go ahead. And this is what I want to do. I want to wear her almost every day just to see, just being realistically, like if I was going to work, like getting up, getting dressed, if I was going to work, just to see how long she lasts. So I could give you guys an update of how long she will. She met up in another week or so. You know, just want to give my honest opinion about this wig, because I love the curls in her. Curls are really pretty. I like the curls in this wig. I'm gonna run my fingers through this hair to loosen up some of the curls. Give it a finger run. But that's her. Like I shared with y'all, I'm always catching Sam's Beauty when they have a sale. And I will be posting a link in the description box so that you guys can go in if you're interested in Kimbra. And she's a daily wig, so I like her. She's real soft. Like, she is real soft, and she's lightweight. I can see myself wearing this in the summertime. Like, I'm getting summertime vibes by the Kimbra. You understand? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about Kimbra. Okay? Now I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in my main box. Okay? For those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, you better go over there and check them out. Sometimes you get good stuff, and sometimes it's like, there's somebody up there need to get it right. Sometimes you just want to go up there and strangle somebody. Like, read the screen right. I didn't sign up for this to get skincare products. I don't need skincare products because I don't have problematic skin. So I didn't even put that in my quiz. Don't give me skincare products. You understand? First item I got, they sent me a lash primer, an eyelash primer, and that is by the company Blink. Let me show you guys what the brush looks like. This is what the brush looks like on a primer, eyelash primer. Lip gloss. This is a lip. I got a lip gloss. I'm gonna let you guys see the color. This is a really pretty color. I seen it and I was like, oh my god, that is beautiful, isn't it? Now they did good on this one. This one is really beautiful. Like, and that's what the brush on it looks like. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna be wearing the Too Faced lip gloss in my next video because that color is pretty. Eyeshadow primer. I got an Hourglass highlighting stick. I never really used the highlighting stick, and I'm experimenting with different highlighters and stuff like that. This is what the highlight stick look like. And I like the color of that. I'm gonna play with that one also. And the last thing that I got in my box, eyeshadow. I love when they send eyeshadows, lip liners, and mascaras. Lip glosses too. They can keep those coming. But just not skincare. Because I don't have problematic skin and I can't use everything in my face. And these are what the colors look like. This is Beauty Creations by Kelly Chick. I'm gonna create a look with this. Next, I'm gonna wear everything in my next video out of this box because I really did like this box. I think I got pretty good stuff this time. I'm glad they didn't send me so much skincare product. Like, let me get finished with what I have already. They will send you makeup remover wipes. I didn't ask for makeup remover wipes. I can go and buy my own makeup remover wipes. But they can keep the elements coming. Like I said, they can keep Elements coming. If they got Elements products, if they want to put them in the box, by all means. But don't just fill my box up with skincare products. I'm gonna give me like 2 makeup and 3 skincare products. I didn't ask for that. I signed up for the makeup. That's why I signed up for Boxycharm. But I am so pleased with my box this month. I am. I'm very, very happy about it. You know, I love to give. And, you know, it's good to give back. Because you guys have helped me make it to 500 subscribers. Next week, I will be announcing the winner. Woo! Okay. So that's everything. Let me know what you guys think about Kimbra. And I've showed you what I have in Boxycharm. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. And once again, thank you for coming.